In every walk and fashion of life, we must depend on somebody. We got to trust someone to do something to protect us. And we do that with the police as the guardians, with DCF as social workers. And yet we have all types of situations dealing with DCF where children are being injured in foster homes. Recently there was a case for sexual abuse down in Florida where a child was brutally sexually abused. And in Florida, of all the states, where there's too many cases, you read about them all the time, it seems like it's prevalent down there. Must be something in the water. And they said it was one of the worst cases they've ever seen. Now, if a child's in foster care, don't think about this too long, but somebody had to put that child in foster care. It's called a DCF worker. And somebody's supposed to, I'm not saying they do, but the child's supposed to be visited on a regular basis, monthly, by DCF. Was that done? There's also an attorney appointed to that child. Did that attorney do its due diligence and visit that child? Perhaps with COVID-19, they probably did Zoom calls, which really is scary because now how many children are out there in foster care that are being visited by social workers, understandably so, by Zoom calls, and by their attorneys by Zoom calls, that aren't being seen in person and aren't being spoken to in person. And when they're on these Zoom calls, the foster parents are in the background. And obviously when a kid gets off the Zoom call, if the child rats the foster parents out, they're going to abuse the kid even worse. So the sexual abuse thing in foster care is a very systemic problem that we need to deal with. And we need to have safer safeguards. And again, who guides the guardians? It's supposed to be DCF. It's supposed to be the police. Sometimes it's violated. And what it is, we all are violated. Because we all look to them as the guardians to protect us all in our most prized possession, our children.